Hi there, Steve V from SV Software here. In this video, I want to show you a new app I just created. It's a QR code scanner app. It allows you to scan the QR codes and get all kinds of information about all kinds of stuff with QR codes. I had found that mostly there's all kinds of things you purchase at a grocery store that have QR codes on it, and it gives you all kinds of information about the nutritional facts and information about that product. So I will open up the app, and as you well know, all of my apps are very easy to use. Whoops, I already have a scan there that I was playing with. All my apps are very easy to use, and even if you're non-technical, they're very easy to use and they work great, well tested. And this app, I think, is the same thing. So I really like it. I think it's very useful, and I think it'd be very useful to you if you download it. And you can download it for free. I'll put a link to it below this video. So, excuse me, I have a help button on the top right there to kind of show you a little bit about how this app works. So yeah, you can actually scan and like I was saying, get nutritional facts, and I'll show you how this works. I'm going to swipe right, and all you have to do is you tap on this little button that kind of looks like a square with a dot in the middle, and then you just point at the QR code, and then this pop-up comes up, and then you tap on the confirm button, and it will open up the actual web page. And then if you wanted to actually save it to as your favorite, which I'll show you how this works, you tap on that save favorites when you scan it the first time. Okay, and there's the favorites there, and then you swipe from right to left on each individual item to delete it. Okay, so let's close that. So let's go ahead and tap on the button here, and here is the coffee mate that I got out of my refrigerator, and let's focus in on it, and there it goes. It saw it, and you'll see it popped up this this little message window, and I'm going to tap on the confirm. Okay, and there it goes. So it brought up the information about this coffee mate item. So you see here, it shows you how many calories it is, the total fat, the cholesterol, sodium, carbs, protein. So it's all kinds of really neat information about this product. And you know, anything with a QR code usually brings up, you know, information about the product or product that, you know, things that are related to that product. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and I'm going to reopen the app again. And then this time I will save it as a favorite. Okay, there it goes. Okay, I'm going to tap that save favorite option, and it prompts you to enter in what you want to name your favorite. And I'll call this one Coffee Mate. Okay, and then click the submit. And you see up top there it says favorite saved. Okay, so I will tap the X here on the top left and then go to my favorites. You'll see there's just two tabs on the bottom there. One is to actually do the QR scan. The second one is for the favorite. And you can see there it is on the very bottom, Coffee Mate. And so we'll bring it up, and there it is. It brought up that web page really fast. So it's very useful that you can actually save these favorites. And then, you know, you can get that information anytime you want. And then to actually delete it, each individual item, it's going to be a right to left swipe. And then you'll see that delete button pops up, and you hit delete. Okay, now it's gone. All right, so the second one I want to scan is a it's a Caesar salad out of my fridge here, and I'm going to tap the button to scan it again, and you see there it is, and quickly it found that QR code. I was pointing right at it with my phone, and I'll tap on the confirm. And what's interesting about the information this product has, it gives you all kinds of recipes and interesting information about related products with this. So that's I think that's very useful. All right, and then of course you can save this as a favorite. So I really think that this is a great app. I would really appreciate it if you would download it and leave me a really nice review. If you'd like it, leave it a 5-star review, and add just some quick comments about that. Just take a couple seconds and just add a couple of comments what you think, if you really like it. If you didn't know, I can tell you from my perspective, from a developer's perspective, it really helps get more downloads for apps if you leave reviews and put in some of the things that you really like about the app, because other people see it and they download it, and the Apple algorithm for the searches, it will definitely boost that up. And so I really appreciate it if you can download this app and leave a review for me. It is free. And I think it'll be very useful to you. And I think it's just a great app, and hopefully you enjoy it and it works for you. All right. If you have any feedback that you want to let me know, you can go to my website, or if I had emailed you at some point, you might have my email address. You can usually contact me through my app too. Any of my apps usually has a feedback page on it, view, that you can leave some feedback about an app. And I'd really appreciate it if you get back to me and let me know about what you like or don't like about that. And then, we'll just go from there and see, about any changes you want me to make. And, I'll consider it, of course. I think this app is going to be very useful to you. And thanks for watching this video. All right. Bye.